Bunny Bee, Bunny Bee, welcome to the world of me. Bunny Bee, Bunny Bee, all the things that you will see in Loveland, Loveland, happy you are here. Loveland, Loveland, you and me and the Unisphere, visit your inner me, and when you're true to you, you're true to me. Come with me, you will see the world of Bunny Bee me.
Well, hi there, friends. How are you? I was just about to begin carving my new pumpkin. I just picked it yesterday in Loveland. Isn't it beautiful? I just love the fall season. I love the crisp air, pumpkins, apple pie, the changing leaves, and Halloween. What's your favorite season? I was actually just about to head back to Loveland to see if I could pick another pumpkin to add to my fall decorations. Would you like to come with me? Maybe there's a pumpkin you would like to pick for your home. Oh, great! Oh, but before we go, I just need to take a quick moment to connect with me before hopping into my new day.
I open my mind, I open my heart, I choose for my day to have a great start. I feel my energy from within and trust there is magic. Let my day begin.
Oh, Jingles, this pumpkin looks like it might be a little too heavy for you. Here, let me help you.
Phew! Who knew pumpkin picking was such a workout? Thank you, Bunny Bee.
Oh, you're welcome, Jingles. Have you had a chance to check our mail today?
Whoop! I almost forgot. You've got mail.
Thank you, Jingles.
Dear Bunny Bee, it's Katie to kind of okay. How can I be brave? Love, Jackson from New Jersey.
Oh, yes. Trying new things can be very scary.
Yeah, Bunny Bee, I need help being brave too.
You do?
Yeah, I really want to visit Cool Grove, but every time I get close to it, I feel too scared to go in.
Oh, I've never been brave enough to go to Who Grove either. I've heard that it's really magical, but also it's very dark, even during the day.
I'm too scared.
Well, Jingles, I don't think we should let our fear get in the way of something we really want to try. What if we go together?
I'm not too sure about this.
Come on, Jingles, let's try.
I don't know. No. Bunny Bee, I'm too scared. How can I be brave?
Well, I'm not sure. My inner me will know the answers. I shall go inside and listen. How can we be brave when we are trying something new?
Well, we know that our fear is like our friend, just trying to help us stay safe, especially when we're trying something for the first time and don't know what to expect.
Yes.
It can be helpful to have something that reminds us of our bravery when we're trying new or scary things. Let's go to our U-Tools box and pull out a tool that can help. I use U-Tools in moments of stress. They plug me in to live my best life.
Oh, yes, the telling touchstone.
Yes, perfect. The telling touchstone. It reminds us who we are and helps us to feel brave in moments of fear. Keep it with you, holding or even rubbing it gently as you remember your secret message.
You are strong. You are brave. You can do hard things.
Yes, I am strong and brave, and I can do hard things. Oh, this is exactly the reminder I needed today. Thank you, inner me.
Let's get out of here, Bunny Bee.
Jingles, it's okay. I've got the perfect tool to help us on our journey through Who Grove. It's called the Telling Touchstone.
You are strong. You are brave. You can do hard things.
This is true.
When I walk along a scary path and everything feels new, I reach into my pocket, hold my stone, and it tells me what is really true. I rub it gently, then I hear the words, "You're strong and brave."
It's true.
Pay attention, you can do hard things even when fear is moving through you. New things can be scary, but trying them out can be fun. As you feel some fear, let your body hear, telling Touchstone's words of reason. New places are unknown, it takes courage to move on through. As you feel some fear, let your stone appear, the Touchstone's message will guide you. If we don't try out new things, we won't know how great they can be. Even though it's scary and sometimes hairy, the Touchstone sets our fear free.
If I feel real scared,
Let the Touchstone tell you just how to be brave.
do I hold it close?
Yes, and as you do, you'll know not to be afraid. New things can be scary, but trying them out can be fun. As we feel some fear, let our body hear, telling Touchstone's words of reason. New places are unknown, it takes courage to move on through. As we feel some fear, let our stone appear, telling Touchstone's message will guide you.
You are brave. You can do hard things.
We are brave and can do hard things. We are brave and can do hard things.
Wow! Who Grove isn't scary.
No, it's magical. I can't believe we almost decided not to come.
Who knew how amazing it could be?
How wonderful that you used your telling touchstone and you're remembering your inner bravery.
I love it here, BunnyBE. Let's stay for a while.
Yes, it seems like we've got a lot of friends to make here. Thank you, Telling Touchstone, for helping us to feel safe in Who Grove. We know we can just imagine you in our hand, and we'll be able to hear your secret messages. Your reminders help us to feel brave when we're feeling afraid.
I use you tools in moments of strife. They plug me in to live my best life.
I am so thankful for all of our friends who write letters and share questions. I get to remember all of these great tools for how to be the best version of me. Plus, we get to connect with some pretty amazing kids along the way. Oh, and owls too.
No, how much fun that could be!
Until we get to be together again.
I'll be me, you be you. Always together, hearts open and true. Come with me, you will see